Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Aldine Mail Route Road. Today we'll take a deep dive into the current condition of Aldine Mail Route Road. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Aldine Mail Route Road. Without further delay, let's dive in. Aldine Mail Route Road is in good condition. Currently, there are minor cracks on Aldine Mail Route Road that typically appear as fine, spiderweb or alligator pattern fissures across the surface. These cracks are early signs of road pavement distress caused by factors like aging infrastructure, Houston's intense summer heat, and soil movement due to the region's clay-rich subgrade. While these cracks may not pose an immediate hazard, they can affect drivers in several ways. The surface roughness can lead to a noticeably bumpier ride and reduced steering responsiveness, particularly at higher speeds. Over time, repeated exposure to cracked road pavement can contribute to tire wear and strain on vehicle suspensions. Additionally, even minor cracks allow water to seep beneath the road surface, which can accelerate deterioration and lead to potholes or uneven settling. In some cases, drivers may swerve or change lanes to avoid rough patches, increasing the risk of collisions or erratic driving behavior. Also, the concave manhole covers on Aldine Mail Route Road present a noticeable dip or depression in the roadway surface where the covers are located. For some drivers, especially those traveling at moderate to high speeds, these depressions can create a jarring sensation when tires pass over them, potentially affecting vehicle control or causing wear to a vehicle's suspension system. In wet conditions, these concave manhole covers can also collect water, increasing the risk of hydroplaning or masking the depth of the dip. Additionally, Aldine Mail Route Road lacks a defined or appropriate road shoulder, meaning there is little to no extra paved space beyond the main travel lanes. While road shoulders are not strictly required in urban settings, such as what you see here in Houston, the absence of a road shoulder can still pose challenges for some drivers. Without a road shoulder, there is no safe area for vehicles to pull over during emergencies, mechanical failures, or flat tires, which can lead to stalled vehicles blocking traffic or forcing drivers to stop in potentially dangerous spots. It also reduces the margin for error if a driver needs to swerve to avoid debris, pedestrians, or sudden obstacles. For cyclists and pedestrians, the lack of a road shoulder means there's even less separation from fast-moving traffic, increasing the risk of accidents. Also, as you can see, Aldine Mail Route Road shows visible signs of aging through numerous road seams and faded lane markings in many areas. The road seams, often the result of patchwork repairs or resurfacing over time, can create uneven surfaces that disrupt the smoothness of the drive and may cause mild jolts or vibrations as vehicles pass over them. These seams can also become more pronounced over time, leading to cracks or further deterioration if not properly maintained. Additionally, the faded lane markings make it difficult for some drivers to clearly distinguish lane boundaries, especially at night or during adverse weather conditions. This lack of visual guidance can lead to lane drifting, uncertain merges, and an overall reduction in traffic flow safety. In addition to the faded lane markings, the open ditch running alongside parts of Aldine Mail Route Road can pose several risks to drivers, particularly in areas where there is little or no road shoulder separating the roadway from the ditch. In the event that a driver needs to pull over or loses control of their vehicle, the presence of a deep ditch offers no safe recovery zone and increases the risk of a vehicle leaving the roadway and ending up in the ditch, which can cause damage or injury. During heavy rains, these ditches can also fill quickly, reducing visibility of their depth and creating a potential hazard if a vehicle veers off course. Houston is on track to become the most populated city in America within the next 50 to 75 years, according to multiple projections. With this explosive growth comes massive changes to its already sprawling transportation network. Studying Houston's roads today offers a rare opportunity to observe how a major urban highway and street system evolves in real time. You get a glimpse into how Houston manages congestion to adopting new technologies like autonomous transit and smart infrastructure. Whether you're an urban planner, civil engineer, or just a curious observer, Houston is a living laboratory for the future of mobility in America. And then there are the skid marks and road grime on Aldine Mail Route Road. Skid marks and road grime are visual indicators of both frequent, sudden braking and the buildup of dirt, oil, and debris on the road surface. Skid marks often suggest areas where drivers have had to stop abruptly, which could point to poorly timed traffic signals, unexpected obstacles, or limited visibility, conditions that may increase the risk of rear-end collisions. Meanwhile, road grime, accumulated from vehicle exhaust, oil leaks, dust, and rain, can create slick surfaces, particularly during or after light rain when the oily residue hasn't been washed away. This can reduce tire traction, making it more difficult for vehicles to brake effectively or maintain control, especially at intersections or curves. Together, these conditions contribute to a less predictable and potentially more hazardous driving experience, particularly for motorcyclists or smaller vehicles that are more sensitive to surface conditions. And drivers will see the presence of road islands and center turning lanes on Aldine Mail Route Road, which plays a mixed role in how traffic flows and how safely drivers can maneuver. Center turning lanes are designed to help reduce rear-end collisions by providing a dedicated space for vehicles to wait while turning left, allowing through traffic to continue moving smoothly. When properly used and clearly marked, these lanes can significantly improve efficiency and safety, especially in high-traffic areas with frequent driveways or intersections. However, if the markings are faded, as is the case in some sections of Aldine Mail Road, drivers may be confused about where to position their vehicles, leading to hesitation or sudden lane changes. Similarly, road islands, which are often installed for traffic calming or pedestrian safety, can help guide vehicles and prevent illegal or unsafe turns. But when not well marked or when placed in narrow stretches of the road, these islands can become obstacles, forcing abrupt maneuvers or narrowing lanes unexpectedly. For unfamiliar drivers, this may increase the risk of sideswipes or hesitation-related delays. Overall, while center turn lanes and islands are beneficial traffic features, their effectiveness heavily depends on visibility, signage, and adequate road width. Did you know Houston, Texas is home to the widest freeway in the world? A section of Interstate 10 in Houston near the Galleria stretches up to 26 lanes wide. The lanes include the main lanes, the frontage roads, the HOV lanes, and toll lanes.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.